I guess we are live now. hmm Yeah, it seems we are live. Okay. Um, let's directly go to adventofcode.com and okay, I was not able to do day 5 because I was traveling and I try to do day 5 today. That is my plan, or if possible, day 6. Let's see. So, that's there. Let me check my OBS settings good. I need a little bit of music, right? Because why not? So let me have some music. So let me have some lofi of old songs. Not, not exactly. Okay. So supplies tax. Let's start. hmm the expedition can depart as soon as final supplies have been unloaded from the ships. Supplies are stored in stacks or marked crates. Okay, but because needed supplies are buried under many other crates, the crates need to be arranged. Not this one. I need something else. Oh, I think that copyright strike. Okay, okay, okay. That's bad. That's bad. Okay. Okay, but because the needs place are buried under many other crates, the crates need to be rearranged. The ship has a giant cargo crane capable of moving crates between stacks to ensure none of the crates get crushed or fall forever. The crane operator will rearrange in a series of carefully planned steps. After the crates are rearranged, the desired crates will be at the top of each steps. The elves don't want to interrupt the crane operator during the delicate procedure, but they forgot to ask which crate will be in the where, and they want to be ready to unload them as soon as possible. So they want they can embark. They do, however, have a drawing of starting stacks and crates and the rearrangement procedure. Okay. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is oh no. This is bad. This is really bad. Okay. Okay. Uh, they do have move one from two to one, and oh wow. In this example, there are three stacks of crates, and the stacks of crate contain crate Z is on the bottom, and crate N is on the top. Is on the bottom, and N is on the top. Stack 2 finally contains this. Okay, finally, stack 3 contains crate P. Okay, the rearrangement procedure given. In each step, the procedure of the quantity of crate is moved one stack to a different stack. In the first step, above rearrangement procedure, one crate is moved to stack 2 from stack 2 to stack 1, resulting in this configuration. Okay, so move one from 2 to 1. One from 2 to 1. Oh, okay, we can only move from top. Okay, that's great. That's great. Uh-huh. Okay, crates are moved one at a time. So first crate can to be moved D ends up below the second one and like that. Okay, three move three from one to three. One, two, three. Okay, all these things are moved. Getting it, getting it. Okay, then both crates are moved. Oh wow, finally this. I just need to know which will end up this. So you should combine this letter and CMZ. I guess these are letters, so I'll just check my puzzle input once. I hope these are just letters. Yeah, these are letters. That's good. That's good. Okay. So one thing I'm noticing is for each line, it's not like if this line ends up here, this is just uh, some fake one, right? Uh-huh. Wow, that was really unbelievable. Okay, this question is good. Like there is a lot of work in this, right? Mm-hmm. I can get it. Excellent connection. Last stream I was having some problem in connection. I hope that doesn't occur in this stream. I'd go with Haskell once more. Okay, I'd use my competitive programming template in case, you know. Okay, so now, how should it look like, right? First thing is solve takes a list of string that are the lines actually and gives a string that is the final configuration. So str and actually strs or lines equal to undefined. I can just use that. Okay. Now what is it? Uh-huh. Split on this blank line, right? I can just split on this blank line. So I just copy this example for me. I just copy this one for myself. Oh wow, what is happening right here? Oh, my new imp crashed. Wow, that is interesting. Okay, so what am I gonna do here right now is I want to split. Okay, first thing is I want 5 dot example and I just copy paste it. What is going on? Oh no, that's not the case how I was thinking it to be. Wow, that's really bad. That's really bad. Okay, first of all, my target is I wanna get these steps, these things, right? hmm That's my target. And then we would split on spaces. Okay, I can just use split on maybe split one was there. I can just use this. Okay, so for example, split split input. First thing is one dot hs one y5j. Let me just split the input. So split input basically, I guess just takes a list of string and split if it's a empty string, right? So split when it's empty string and yeah, that's it, right? So now I get it's an empty string and yeah, let me just do this with main. hmm Content get contents, let L equal to lines of content, and then print split input L. Let me try it out. Bin slash 5. No data. No. This is how it should be. Okay. No. Parse stack. Now it's like we have this stack. Now we need to parse it, right? Okay. Now I just need to parse it. So, mhm, how can we parse it? Right. Uh, Parsing it is hard. Hmm. Okay, let me try it out. Hmm. The thing is, the last one actually gives me the point where the characters actually are, right? So one gives me the point where the character is actually there at the index, right? Two gives me the point where the character is actually there. So I can just use this point and get the characters, I guess. That is how I guess I should do it. Okay. So let me try it out. Mhm. So two split input parse stack. So again, it's list of string, and I don't know what I want to return from here. So parse stack. Okay, get char positions is equal to uh, okay. One thing that is good here is that in the actual input also we only have this as 9, so I can just utilize this fact, right? So get char positions, we take a string and return list of integers. Okay, so get char positions is nothing but first we index that string with we zip that string with this, okay, or one dot dot dot, and once we do that, the next thing should be filter where fst dot is digit, okay, and I don't know if, and then we basically fmap to snd, and yeah, what is the problem? Zip zip fst, it should be fst actually, right? Yeah. So this actually gives me the position of all the characters, right? So Uh-huh. Parse stack. Mm, so where all the characters are. Hmm. And now I can just use the things, right? What is that character? So get care at gives me the character, right? Get care at, and it takes int, it takes string, and actually it takes string, then it takes int and a return maybe of char. Okay, and get char at str and I. Okay, and I guess our list data dot list should have some thing like data dot list. mm, Haskell. Let's go. And I should have a way to access it, right? I should have a way to access the list. So let me think where it is. Special folds. hmm Find element index. Wow. Okay, what is this at may function? At may. Hmm, I don't know. Something like this. Okay, I need to actually just pattern match the things right here. Mm, okay, so if at idx equal to nothing, then it's nothing. At idx equal to just x, then x, otherwise equal to nothing. just space to nothing, otherwise at idx, where at idx is I is greater equal to length of str, then nothing, otherwise equal to mm, what is it, stri. Okay, so this seems to be get char at. Okay, and it returns the function. It is a function that gives me other thing right there. Now I can just go for maybe char is there. hmm What's next? Once I get for every line, parse line, it should be like list of chars, right? Okay, parse stack line, right? Parse stack line should be uh, list of chars, right? So I would just parse stack line, parse stack line. It takes a string and returns list of maybe char, right? Okay, and parse stack line. What it does, it takes a string and it also takes mm, list of integer str idxs is equal to fmap idxs get char at str, right? And now I can reduce it, and again I can also reduce it, right? So parse stack line is fmap get char at dot fmap. So first we for this, and yeah, this works parse stack line, and now parse stack should be um, parse stack is something that is a list of string and actually returns like list of maybe char, right? List of maybe char. hmm does this work? Yes, I guess it works. And parse stack strs is fmap parse stack line strs f actually this should be flip where I need indexes, right? So there should be some way to get indexes. Didn't I? Positions is equal to get char positions. Get char positions of last of strs, right? And I'll pass positions here, and it's like init, right? Okay, so now this works. Uh, okay, so parse stack is something like this, and it just parses the stack, and yes, I guess this works, right? This works. Um, hmm. So let me try it out, right? So let stack equal to split input L to 0, and now parse stack map m show stack. Okay. Just a second. What's the problem with this? Map m fmap parse stack let parse stack equal to this, and then map m and so past stack. I don't know if it knows about map m or not. This map m is something like it gives you this. What is past stack? Maybe of care. That's wrong. Well, parse stack is something list of string to maybe of char. It converts list of string to maybe of char, right? So stack is list of string. Mhm. Parse stack is maybe of char. And again, I'm not. Mm, what's the problem? Like show. Oh, it should be print, right? It should be print. Yep. Dot slash HC5 and nothing. Oh wow, bad. Nothing, just this 0, 1. Oh, okay. That was really not how I wanted it to be, right? Oh, was it one dot? Oh, okay. F1. It should be 0 dot, right? Okay. Nothing, just the, nothing, just n, just c, nothing, just c, just m, just p. Yep. So this is how it should be. And now we have stack. Now we have stack. Okay. And uh, now we can actually transpose this array, right? We can actually transpose this array. So I don't know what would happen if I transpose this array, right? Transpose. I don't know, yeah. And actually just this. It's nothing and z, nothing and z. And then I need to reverse it. Okay, nothing and z. That's right. It should be nothing and z and dcm. That's how I wanted it to be, right? That's how I wanted it to be. And now I just need to do the cat maybe, right? Cat, cat, maybe, right? So what does cat maybe do? It takes a list of maybe of A. Okay, I need to df this fmap cat maybes on this, and now it should give me like nz dcm and p. This is how it should have been, right? This is how it should have been. So nz dcm and p. Okay, so I can just use it. I can just use it. So we have parse stack, and parse stack we get all these things, and mhm, maybe list with maybe equal to this. Okay, and now list with maybe uh, as we did here, we do the same, right? List with may be, and it will give me the list of string, redundant bracket, right? And ds this, and then redundant this. Yep. So now we have parse stack, and this time I can just go for map and print and parsed stack ttp parse stack, like, right? Now once done with that, What's next? What's next? Um, I have to actually parse the numbers, right? I have to actually parse the numbers. Um, okay, so the numbers are actually at the even indexes, right? 1, 4, and 6, right? So I have to actually parse the moves, like num1. Uh, okay, so fine. So a move is nothing but okay. So data move is equal to, that's a int. Okay, and yeah. So the first one is num, the second one is from, third one is to. I need to parse it, right? I just need to parse it. Parsing is the hardest part, I guess, in this question. So parse moves is just that it takes a string and returns you list of move, right? Parse moves. Okay, and str is equal to fmap strs. Um, Actually, I can just reduce it. Wow, what is happening? Actually, I can just reduce it and parse move line. Let me have parse move line. So what parse move line does is it takes a string and it returns you um, list of, it returns you a move, right? It returns you a move. So how I see this thing is first thing is we need to separate these things by a space. So parse move line str equal to undefined where str, okay, splitted equal to split when, and when it's a space we would split it, okay, and str, and now splitted is something like it's a list of character, okay. So now that's there. Now zipped, we would zip this with zipped is equal to zip splitted with 1, okay. Now it's like relevant is so what are the relevant one, okay. So relevant is nothing but only the even indexes one, right? Okay, so filter um, snd and even and zipped, right? So these are the relevant ones. These are the relevant ones. And then uh, uh, fmap snd of the whole thing, right? And now it's like the integers. No, fmap fst of the whole thing. And now it's like list of characters. And once I get 1 to 1, okay, I just fmap this with read int and return it. Okay, so a b c is equal to fmap zipped, sorry, fmap, read int relevant, right? And once I get what is read int, it is asking what is read int. Read it something that takes a string, returns you an integer, read int equal to read, right? Once I get this, uh, I can just return move ABC. Okay. Okay. So NFT, actually I can just NFT and NFT, something like this. So now it actually parses the move line. Okay. So let me just try to see if it parses the move line correctly. Okay. So for that, I guess I need to derive show, deriving show. Okay. And I can just use the last one. Okay. Parse, parse moves, stack. Okay. 121, 313, 221, and 112. That's right. Okay. Now it's done. Now it's done. Okay. Now what I need to do is perform the operation, right? I just need to perform the operation. So that's the only thing I need to do now. Perform the operation. That's uh, good. Okay. So let me just do perform OP is such that it takes a list of string that is our stack, current stack, okay, and it takes the move, okay, and returns you the new string, okay, perform operation str and move nft, and it's like currently undefined, and let's see what we can do. So first thing is we have to take n things from okay, so there would be new from and new to, right? There will be new from and new to, okay, where new from is equal to drop n and strf, okay, and okay, it's just the old list with something changed, right? Just the old list with something changed. And new 2 is take n from this and I just do this with the strt, right? Okay, so this is new from and new to, okay. uh, and now I just need to change the whole thing. Okay, I just need to change, make the changes in the list, right? So Z M P N C N T. Okay, how can I make changes in that? That's a big question. Uh, I need to think over this. So I have new from, I have new to, but it's on indexes, right? So if index is that, okay, that's a very bad way of doing it. So um, zipped list is something that we zip with zero dot and str. Okay, so now we have zipped with the indexes. Okay, once I zipped this list with indexes, I can just say it's nothing but fmap op zipped list, and I just need snd of that list, right? Right, I just need snd of that list. So what does op do? Okay, so op actually takes and I can just use uncurry op, I guess. So op takes index and element. If index is equal to new from, is if index is equal to f, then it's new from. If index equal to t, it's new to. Otherwise, it's yearly only, right? So, yep, uncurry op. So, what is zipped list? Zipped list is int, comma string, and index is f. I guess f is that. So, what is new from? New from is string. New to is stringed. So, uncurry op takes two things. I don't know what is the problem with this. Wow. Okay. Right. I can just remove that thing and we are done. Okay. So we perform the operation. Now, once we perform the operation, uh, we are actually done, right? So solve. Yeah, it was undefined. So first thing is I need s- there are two things. First is stack and there is moves, a raw stack actually, and a raw moves is equal to split uh, input lines, right? And stack is equal to parse stack, raw stack, right? And moves equal to parse moves raw move. Once done with that, okay, I guess, okay, what is the final stack? Final stack equal to fold L, and we do perform operation, okay, we do perform operation over the moves, perform OP, and initially is stack, and then we do it over moves. That's the final stack, okay. And now I guess just we transpose and head. Transpose final stack. Okay, so this seems to do the work to me. This seems to do the work to me. That's a big code, to be honest. That's a big code. There are a lot of things happening right now. So let's try solve. I'll print this whole thing. Dot slash HC5. And for this example, is it, what is it? It's CMZ. It's CMZ. Is it how it should be? Is it how it should be? So no. No, 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 no. Okay. So what is happening right here is try to see what's happening right here. So map M and trace. Okay, at every point we are just getting string, right? Map M trace str or trace show str. I can just use that. Wow, who is using the most CPU? Okay, it was like NZ, DCM, and P, and now it's like DNZ, CM, and P. Doesn't seem like it did it right. Move 3 from 1 to 3. From 1 to 3. Oh, it's like 1. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Totally makes sense. Um, yep. Um, parse move should actually be an f minus 1
and just to make it compliant with this, and MCD is the final answer. No, again, it's not the final answer, but it's now edit one, move one from NZDCM. DNZ. What is this? What's the problem? Show NFT 110 from 2 to 1. Okay, it's like TNZ, CM, and P only, right? TNZ, CM, and P. It's like CM. Oh, Z and DP. It's like TNZP. What's that? DNZ. Okay, okay, okay. Take an new 2 is also the reverse of this. Okay, and it's now CMC. That should be it, right? That is it. Okay, I would remove the trace. My computer is just heating out. Computer is just heating out. Like there's no way I can handle the stream. This stream. hmm Uh, this seems to be the answer. Yeah, got a gold star, and I just cannot continue streaming. Like my computer is literally heating. I don't know what is exactly happening, but um, yep, this one seemed right. Um, I really want to decrease little bit quality, but I don't know how I can. Let me see if I can. No, if I can do this, if I can handle this right now. Okay, let's continue with part two. Okay, as you watch crane operator expertly rearrange the crates, you notice that the process is not following your prediction. Some mud was covering the writing on the side, and you quickly wipe it away. The crane is not Crane Mover 9000, it's a Crane Mover 9001. The Crane Mover 9001 for many new and exciting features, air moving conditioning, leather seats, and this, and ability to pick up and move multiple crate at once. Again, consider about the crates begin in the same and moving a single crane from behaves as same as before. Stack 2 to stack 1. However, the action with 3 crates stays in the same order. Okay, this is how we did it previously, right? This is how we do it previously. Oh, I cannot actually even handle it. My whole thing is moving. Okay, and I just now need this reverse, right? That's it for the whole thing. I need a prime, and for solve, I just I'm trying to complete my stream, but doesn't seem like it would go well. Mm-hmm. Computer is just heating. It's like I cannot link it right now. I don't know how the stream look like, but I guess I got the answer, so I just use that answer and do it. Yep. So we have completed day 5. That was it. My computer is heating. I cannot control the stream. Let's see you on day 6. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.